All right, so what we're doing, I think we are going to go ahead and put the new seat on here. Now, I was going to wait until I redid the top cover, but because I thought the lift was seeping down, but what I realized was over here you've got the draft control, and I had it up, but this seat is so flimsy. I think the seat hit it and put it back into it was in position control, and it popped it down into draft control. And so I saw that, and I put it back up into position control, and it appears to be working. I don't have an implement on the back, but it holds me and doesn't seat down. So I think we're gonna just go ahead and put the seat on it, and we'll see how it does. And there's probably only 2 bolts that hold the seat anyway, so it's not like it's gonna be a big deal to take it back off if we have to. But it may be hard to get to the bolts. This seat is just completely gone, and hopefully the bolts, hopefully they still have heads on them. Everything's so rusty under here. I don't know. This does not feel promising. I feel one right here, and there's a stud in the back. That's not going to be good. I think to make our life easier, I'm just going to rip apart this seat. I might not be able to. Well, that works. You can see, I mean, the pan was gone. The only part you could sit on was right here. You had to sit all the way back here. So let me, I'm going to put it in, put the camera in time lapse and see if I can get these out of here. Either the camera stopped or it was never going. I don't know. So y'all may have seen me remove the seat, may not. The bolts actually came out easy. The back one is this weird pin thing with a stud, and of course it came out this way and not the nut. But I guess that's okay. I don't know what that one's for, but we are going to start it back in there. And we will start this one back in there. Then we'll take the air gun and blow all this off. once the compressor would start, let me go get the new seat. Alright, new seat's open. We're going to take a look at the base of it. Take these off and stick this on here. Alright, seat is in. I don't know how much of that y'all could see. I realized when I was after I did the back and I looked at the camera, y'all couldn't see me tighten up the bolts in the back. They're slotted, so the bolts are already started in the seat when it's new. You just slip it in and push it down. So it looks like we need to adjust this. Kind of nice. It actually tells you weight. No, I'll do that later, not on camera. It's a nice seat. I've got it adjusted. We ended up putting it in the forward of the front two bolt holes, but slid all the way forward. Seemed to be about the right position for it. I had it originally in the next two bolt holes and it was just too far back. The slot is a little bigger than my bolts, so I put flat washers, and oddly enough, as bad as that nut is, when it tightened up, I guess it bottomed out and the nut turned and tightened the rest of the way, so the nut actually turned, so that's good. But they're both tight, just two bolts that hold it. That's all that was in the original. And yeah, seat is in. So that's gonna wrap up this. I'll adjust the seat. Oh, you've got these two. You got one on each side that kind of adjusts the angle of the seat, depending on how it needs to mount, but that's flat, and so I think it's adjusted well. It looks about right for this. The back's leaned just a little bit and the bottom is completely flat, so I think that'll be good. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.